I wanted to give you an idea. Okay, so here we are, and this is the back of the micro USB port. There's 5 connectors. On the very right hand, as we look, is the ground pad, and over here is power, the very other side. So if you count 1 through 5, 1 is ground, 5 is power, and the middle 3 are data lines. I believe this is a data available, and the other 2 are actual data plus and data minus signal lines that go through to the PC. So what's the problem here is that if you look, you can almost see the pad on the power side over here a little bit lifted. Okay, let me see if I can do this without, it's kind of difficult. Okay, let's give it a little 3-dimensional view. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. You can see that the pads are a little bit lifted off of the printed circuit board. Luckily, I don't see any torn legs. That would make it impossible, and I'd have to replace the entire connector, and that tends to be tough. Hot air extraction, reflow soldering, etc., etc. Okay, so that gives you an idea of where I'm going, and the next step is going to be to start putting some Kapton Teflon type tape to protect the motherboard, and to do a solder on the through hole and on the pads, and I'm going to use some solder paste. I like solder paste for my surface mount work, and we'll go there on a regular unmagnified view. Okay,